okay, you've started an OnlyFans and now you're like, but wait, how do I get subscribers? I don't get it. It's just not working. Don't worry. I got you. I got you. All right. So since you've started an OnlyFans, I just want to preface that I know how hard that it is to get subscribers. I know how hard that it is to keep subscribers. And where do you continue to find these new subscribers? Like, where do they come from? Like, how do you get them? And maybe you're putting it on your social media, and maybe like you're advertising it on Reddit, and you're doing it on Twitter, and you're doing everything that you can think of. But yo, I'm going to change the game for you. So first things first is, if you're going to be serious about OnlyFans, you need to treat it seriously like it's a job. You need to treat it seriously as a professional. So me being in the bartending industry, I talk to people every day in and days out. And after almost 10 years of bartending and working in the club and people asking me for my number, and I was like, ew, like, I don't want to give you my number. I don't want you to call me, but like, I want you to be a regular. I want you to come back. It literally dawned on me, yo, why do I not have a business card for OnlyFans? You heard me right, a business card. Let me show you. In this box right here is literally thousands of subscribers waiting to join your OnlyFans. Let me show you how. All right, so I went on to Vista Print. Like I said, this is not an ad, this is not sponsored, nothing. And I made a business card. So on the front over here of my card, okay, I think we kind of have like too much light, and I have a glossy finish on it, so it's like reflecting off of it. But on the card, I have my name, which says Anessa Rossi, and then it says like Vanessa without the V, so they know how to pronounce my name. And at the bottom, I have contact me. I have the link to my Instagram, the link to my TikTok, and then I have my OnlyFans. But if that's too difficult for them, flip the card over, and on the back, I have a QR code so anyone can scan it, and it'll take them directly to my OnlyFans account where they can subscribe and sign up. Your girl is a genius. I got you. I'm here for you. This is so amazing. I love having this card. I keep them on me in my purse and my wallet. And while I'm not just giving them to random people on the street or random strangers, this is great because being a bartender in the club, so like if you work in the club like I do, if you're a dancer, if you're a server, if you're a bartender, if you're a bottle like girl, whatever it is, and you have those regulars that are like, let me get your number, and you don't feel comfortable giving them your phone number, make a card. Put your Instagram on there, put your TikTok on there, put your Linktree on there, put your burner phone number on there, whatever, and then give them the card. And then from there, they have a way to contact you. Now they can book tables. Now they'll know when your shift is. Now they can contact you without like writing you on your phone number. And best of all, boom, they can scan it. They have your OnlyFans. They can go tip you on there. They can go send you more money. Y'all, it's amazing. It's a game changer. It's a life changer. And it has just been so successful for me. So along with posting on social media, like doing all of the obvious things, I'm telling you, this card right here is just the easiest way. Also too, if you don't have an OnlyFans account, but like I said, you're a bartender, you're a bottle girl, you're a dancer, you want to promote your shifts, like you work in a club, make a card just like this. Like, you guys, you are a business too. You are your brand too. And everyone's walking around with business cards. Everyone's walking around like realtors, bankers, whatever it is, like hairstylists, lash techs, and everyone has a card. So why not an OF girl too? And this has just been so great. It doesn't have any personal information on there. It doesn't have my phone number. It doesn't have my email. It's just my social media contacts, and it's easy for people to find, and it's easy to give out in the club. So I love this, you know, especially like if you have a customer and you're vibing really well and they're like, oh, like I want to talk to you again, or oh, I want to come back, boom, give them the card. Or you have a customer at the club and they're like, oh, like, how do I see more of you? Boom, give them the card. You could tell people about your OnlyFans, and even though it has a link on the front, it's so much easier to just scan the QR code on the back. So I love this. It has literally helped me so much. Let me know if you guys want me to go more in depth about OnlyFans, explain to OnlyFans, like how you get like paid, how pay-per-view messages work, everything like that, how you keep subscribers. So I hope that this helps you guys, and I really love this. Vista Print, I think it cost me $19.99 for something like 500 or 1,000 cards. I think I got 1,000. I think they were running a promo. Yeah, and it's super cute, and you could just go and change them. Let's see if you guys can see it a little bit better right here. I don't know. See if we can get it to focus here. And this is it. Well, I hope that this helped you guys out. I hope that you guys go and make a business card right now and make literally millions of dollars and retire on OnlyFans and live your life. And thanks so much for watching. I did get banned from TikTok, so if you've been looking for my TikTok, it's not there. I will not make another one. Follow me on Instagram. The link is in my description. I'll also put my name right over here, and I'll be doing reels and story times. Like, comment, subscribe on this video. That way, like, I know that we can interact, we can engage, and do all kinds of fun things. And I hope everyone has a great day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.